My son immediately saw an opportunity with this folding storage shelf before I even got the chance to use it in the kitchen. He turned it into a Hot Wheels storage station in his closet, and it works so well for organizing all of his little cars. I think that's what I like most about the shelf. It's not limited to just kitchen use. You can use it in a pantry, garage, bathroom, playroom, closet, or even as extra storage in a living room or office. Setup was incredibly simple. It comes basically fully assembled. So all I had to do was screw in the wheels, unfold it, and it was ready to use. I did not need any tools. There were no complicated instructions or anything like that. And it's so easy to fold away if you're not using it all the time. You can quickly collapse it flat and tuck it into a closet or storage space, which is really convenient. It feels really sturdy and solid. The shelves are thick, the frame feels durable, and it doesn't wobble around even when loaded with heavier items. The wheels roll really smoothly, which makes it easy to move around when needed. And I like that each wheel has a locking brake, so it stays securely in place once you position it where you want it. And I love this wood finish. It definitely gives it a much nicer look compared to basic plastic shelving. So it actually blends in well with home decor. Overall, this is such a practical solution that the whole family can use.